Hi everyone, this is Dr. Manisha Dikshit from Pranayatan Ayurveda. As you all know, a new variant of COVID, Omicron, has been discovered. COVID is continuously changing its form, but as long as we follow Ayurveda, we need not be afraid of it. In this video, I will tell how to prepare a kaada or decoction and a delicious smoothie to deal with COVID. If you can change your lifestyle and diet according to Ayurveda, you can win over COVID. Actually, the main problem is not a virus. The main problem is the COVID with comorbidities. If you have comorbid conditions like hypertension, diabetes, kidney problem, obesity, cholesterol, then your body is already fighting with these problems and your immune system is also weak. So you have to fight on both sides with COVID and with your comorbidities. So if you are following lifestyle and diet according to the Ayurveda, then it is very important or it is very good to fight with the corona. So in this video, I will tell you a decoction which is very important for COVID and which is very important in comorbid patients. Now, the recipe of decoction or kaada is very important for COVID because this decoction is antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant in nature. Because this decoction contains many herbs like giloy, tulsi, adrak, haldi, dalchini, long ilaichi, kali mirch, mulethi and ashwagandha. You can take this decoction for 4 persons. This recipe is for 4 persons and for this recipe you can take 4 cups of water in a pan and then take all these herbs. You can take 6 inches long giloy stem and the second one is 11 leaves of tulsi patra and 4 inches long ginger or adrak, 1 teaspoonful of turmeric, 5 pieces of long or clove, 5 pieces of small cardamom or choti ilaichi and 5 to 10 pieces of black pepper or kali mirch. If you are suffering from heart problem, then you can add some 2 to 3 gram of dalchini or cinnamon powder in this decoction and you can also add 5 to 10 grams of arjun powder or arjun chal in this decoction. And if you are suffering from weakness or suffering from sore throat, then you can use 5 to 10 grams ashwagandha and 2 to 3 gram of mulethi powder in this decoction. And how to make this decoction? You can churn all these herbs in mortar and pestle and coarse powder of all these herbs. Then put in your pan and boil in medium flame. When 1 cup is remaining, then you can put your fire off and then sieve it and divide into 4 parts. Take this decoction empty stomach in morning and 1 hour before your meal in evening. You can also mix 2 to 3 gram of sendha namak or rock salt in this decoction because sendha namak decreases your congestion because chest congestion is a very important feature in COVID. And sendha namak is very important to reduce your congestion. And besides this, if you want to put some honey, you can use some honey also. And all these herbs like haldi and kali mirch, these herbs are shroto shodhak, means these herbs reduces the obstruction of your channels. And ashwagandha is antioxidant in nature. It builds your immune system. So some videos on haldi and kali mirch, you can see the videos of turmeric and kali mirch, and you can also see the properties of ashwagandha in our channel. And when you take this decoction daily, you can fight with COVID very easily. Besides this decoction, it is very important to change your lifestyle and diet pattern also. For lifestyle, you can use yogasana, pranayam and physical activities. These physical activities are very important or right way to fight with Omicron. And the diet, because diet is very important to reduce cytokines in your body. You can take protein rich diet, the diet which contain less carbohydrates, no processed foods and no sugar like sweets, candies, chocolates, etc. You can use fresh fruits and boiled vegetables and lot of protein in your diet. These proteins, these fresh fruits and boiled vegetables build your immune system, and these all things are very good for your body also. Now the time is for breakfast, and you can use this delicious smoothie in your breakfast because this smoothie is anti-inflammatory in nature and also immune boosting. You can take 1 carrot and a small piece of bottle gourd. You can also take half piece of pomegranate, a small pinch of turmeric, 2 walnuts, 5 almonds, 1 teaspoon flax seeds, and it is possible, if possible, you can take 2 gooseberries also, because gooseberries have antioxidant properties and decreases your pitta also. So mix all these things in a grinder and prepare a delicious smoothie with carrot, bottle gourd, pomegranate and haldi and dry fruits. It is mineral and nutrients rich, and if you want to change something in this smoothie, you can also take a small piece of beetroot. This beetroot gives a very good red color for your smoothie, and it is very nice in taste. If you want, you can use some salt and black pepper in this smoothie. This is energetic and very refreshing for your breakfast. So these are the recipes of smoothie and decoction. You can fight against Omicron by using this. We have already made some videos of COVID in past, and if you want to know more about COVID, then you can watch these videos. The link is given in the description box. If you have some problem regarding COVID, you can contact us or book an appointment in the given number. And if you like our content, share it and subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to press bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.